Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a little bit, but right now I have a fuel vapor leak detection code coming up, and I'm going to be replacing and showing you how to do it. I just took you to the back of the car above the left tire, and I'm going to use pliers to pop them out. Make sure you evenly wiggle them out. Don't put too much pressure on one side or you could snap it and break it. You don't want to do that. It takes a little elbow grease. This is actually the hardest part. Replacing the actual piece is easy peasy. So this is what it looks like. You just want to put it aside. And as you can see, I already took the other one out. I did not use the wrench for anything. I was going to use it for this right here. You see that? But then I didn't have to because it was a little complicated. I also didn't need to. I was able to just go underneath with my finger and push that back. So I was able to push it down. Now, I suggest wearing gloves. It's very dirty. I didn't have any, but I was able to easily get to the part that I need to replace, which is that white piece right here. Here is the part, the EVAP valve. It's 310-219. My check engine light was on, so I went to AutoZone to have them set the scanner up and print out what I needed to do. And they were able to just tell me what I need and the part I needed. Right here, you want to disconnect this wire, which is very easy. You just push the latch in and you pull back. You see the latch right there. And then I'm going to take this hose, which is simple. So you just wiggle it back and forth, wiggle back and forth until it pops right off. You want to be gentle, but you could also be a little stern with it to just, if it's giving you a little bit of a problem, but it'll come right off. So what you're going to want to do here is go under the piece that you're taking off, and you'll see there's a lever that you have to push in. It's kind of hard to feel. So you're going to really have to try to go underneath and push it and turn it until you feel it budge. Once you feel it budge, I ended up using two hands to kind of really push it to the left and counterclockwise to get it to where I needed it to be to pop it off. It's really messy, guys. I wish I had some gloves to wear. I suggest wearing them. But here's the old one. As you can see, the ring wasn't in there, I noticed, because I was going to pull it out to put the new one in, but maybe that was the problem, that there wasn't a ring in there. So this part actually ended up not filming for some reason. You just push it right in that seal area. Here it is with the rim in it. Here is the new part. I don't need this yellow piece, so I just pulled it right off. Okay, now you're going to go back underneath the left tire and put it in exactly angled the way you popped it out. You see how it's a little bit to the left, so pop it in. You'll feel it going nice. Turn it back upright, and then you want to put the hose back on, wiggle it back on. It's very easy. Here's the clip. Hold the little piece in, push it in, and you'll hear it clip. And that is it. It's actually very, very, very simple. Now I just have to put this back on. I'm just going to pop that back up. If your check engine light is on, I would take it to an AutoZone or an Advanced Auto Part, and they could print out exactly what is wrong for you. The code that I had gotten was p0440, but it was a generic code, and it could be any EVAP problem. It gave us 3 different possibilities, but this was the one on the top that it suggested to do first. This right here is an old picture. I didn't get the one of the new one because sometimes we forget when we're filming, but this is how the wires should look when you're finished. I hope this helps you save a few bucks. Unfortunately, the check engine light is not going to turn off right away. You need to drive it a few times. So you can go back to the AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts or anywhere that can scan your car and see if the code is showing or not, to see if the problem was fixed. If I can do this, you can do this. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.